Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will talk about my or mine in Hindi. Now, my or mine are possessive pronouns. What do? They say that something belongs to us. So we use these pronouns to show a sense of belongingness or possessiveness. Now, in Hindi, there is no common word that is applicable to show possessiveness. The words that are used vary depending upon the gender of the object or the person about whom we are talking. So, when we refer to my in Hindi for a word that is feminine or a plural feminine word, then we always use the word meri. For example, if I am referring to my mother, I will say meri ma. If I am referring to my sister, I will say meri behan. And suppose I am referring to my eyes, then I will say meri aankhein. Aankhein is the word for eyes in Hindi. And since it's a feminine word and also plural because we are talking about both the eyes, it will be meri aankhein. Now friends, when my refers to belongingness or possessiveness towards a masculine word, it becomes mera. For example, my younger brother would be mera chota bhai, my friend, mera dost. Now, when I have to refer to a relation in my life who is elder to me or which is a respectable relation, say my elder brother, my father, my grandfather, my great grandfather, my maternal grandfather, or my father in law. So we will use the personal possessive pronoun mere to refer to someone who is elder to us to show respect and at the same time a sense of belongingness or possessiveness towards us. But let's say we have a lot of words which are masculine, but they are things. Say lots of fruits, lots of flowers. We will also refer to them as mere. For example, my trees would become mere peड़. Now friends, let's solidify this concept that we've understood with the help of a few examples. My father becomes mere papa. Now I will not say mera papa because that will sound disrespectful. So in order to convey respect for my father, I will say mere papa. My mother will become meri ma. Why? Because ma is mother is a feminine word. And so we will use the possessive pronoun meri to refer to her. Now when a mother is talking about her son or a father would talk about his son, they would say mera beta. Why will they say mera? Because their son is naturally younger to them. And it's a masculine word, so we will refer to it as mera. Now, if a father or a mother is talking about their daughter, they will say meri beti. Why? Because beti or daughter is a feminine word, and therefore the possessive pronoun that will be applicable in this case would be meri. Similarly, my brother will become mera bhai. Mera because bhai or brother is a masculine word. My sister is a feminine word, so we will say meri behan. My banana will be mera kela, but my pear is meri nashpati. Now why is that so? Now friends, if you would remember, we learned in the video that I made on genders that predominantly most of the fruits are masculine words except a few words, and pear or nashpati is one of them. So when we refer to a sense of possessiveness or belongingness towards the banana, which is a masculine word, we will say mera kela or mera seb, that is my apple. But when I'm referring to a pear, which is a feminine word in Hindi, it is nashpati, we will say meri nashpati. Now let's look at the case where we use mine and not my. For example, this bag is mine. यह मेरा bag है. Now why do we say mera? That's because bag is a masculine word, and so the possessive pronoun that will be used to refer to the bag would be mera. This watch is mine. यह घड़ी मेरी है. Now why this man is saying that the watch is his by using the pronoun possessive pronoun meri? Because watch, that is घड़ी, is a feminine word, and therefore the possessive pronoun that will be used in this case would be meri. Similarly, my house is big. मेरा घर बड़ा है. So why will we say mera? Because house is a masculine word. Now you can decipher both ways. If you see mera, then you can by default believe that it is talking about a word that is masculine word. And if you see a word which says meri, then by default you're talking about a feminine word. For example, in this case, meri car choti hai. So the kid is saying meri because car is a feminine word. Super. Now friends, let's look at my in relation to plurals. My fruit will be mera phal because fruit is a masculine word. My fruits will become mere phal. Why? Because fruit still remains a masculine word, but since it is plural, I'm talking about more than one fruit, I will refer to it as mere and not mera. Similarly, my brother will become mera bhai, but my brothers will be mere bhai because now the girl is talking about more than one brother. My bags will be mere jhole. Why? Because bag is a masculine word, and when they become plural, that is when you have more than one of a masculine word, you will use mere to show that this masculine word is being talked about in a plural sense. And my books will become meri pustake. Why? Because book is a feminine word, and therefore no change happens whether it's a singular word or a plural word. We will still continue to refer to them as meri pustake, except that the word for plural changes in Hindi from pustak or kitab to pustake or kitabein. Similarly, my clothes will become mere kapde, and my cloth will become mera kapda. My sister will become meri behan, and my sisters will become meri behene. So friends, a quick overview of what we have learned till now. My, when refers to a masculine and a singular word, is mera in Hindi. My, when it refers to a masculine and a respectable person, will become mere. And my, when it refers to a masculine and a plural word, it will be mere. My, when it refers to a feminine singular word, it will be meri. And my, when it refers to a feminine and plural word, it will still be meri. Now friends, let's consolidate and apply our knowledge with the help of a short story. This is the story of Kanha, who is talking about himself. He says, Namaskar friends, my name is Kanha. I am 10 years old. My father's name is Vasudev. My mother's name is Devaki. My father is 40 years old. My mother is 35 years old. I have an elder brother and I have a younger sister. My brother's name is Ram. My sister's name is Subhadra. My brother is 15 years old. My sister Subhadra is 7 years old. My home is in Mathura. My favorite musical instrument is a flute. My favorite food is butter. Now I'll read the same story in Hindi. Namaskar दोस्तों, मेरा नाम कान्हा है. That is, my name is Kanha. मेरी उम्र 10 वर्ष है, that is I'm 10 years old. मेरे पिता का नाम वासुदेव है, my father's name is वासुदेव. मेरी माता का नाम देवकी है, my mother's name is देवकी. मेरे पिता 40 वर्ष के हैं, my father is 40 years old. मेरी माँ 35 साल की है, my mother is 35 years old. मेरा एक बड़ा भाई है और मेरी एक छोटी बहन है. I have an elder brother and I have a younger sister. मेरे भाई का नाम राम है. My brother's name is Ram. मेरी बहन का नाम सुभद्रा है. My sister's name is सुभद्रा. मेरा भाई 15 साल का है. मेरी बहन सुभद्रा 7 साल की है. My brother is 15 years old and my sister Subhadra is 7 years old. मेरा घर मथुरा में है. My home is in Mathura. मेरा पसंदीदा वाद्य यंत्र बांसुरी है. My favorite musical instrument is a flute. मेरा पसंदीदा खाना मक्खन है. My favorite food is butter. Now friends, in order to understand which possessive pronoun we will be using, let's begin with the basics. First, let's underline all the my that you can find in this story. Excellent. Now friends, there is another word which is similar to my or mine and show a sense of belongingness, and that is I have. Now there are two I have in this story. I have an elder brother and I have a younger sister. So please underline these two words as well. Now friends, let's try to figure out which my or I have will be masculine and which my or I have will be feminine. Yes friends, all the words which refer to a feminine word or a feminine relation will be feminine, so we will color them in pink. And all the words which refer to masculine words or masculine relations will be a masculine my, and that would be in blue. Now friends, let's replace this my with mera or meri depending upon the gender of the word that they are referring to. So now friends, mera in the line mera naam Kanha hai will be blue in order to signify that name is a masculine word, and so we will use mera to refer to it or to show belongingness because your name belongs to you. मेरी आयु 10 साल है और मेरी आयु 10 वर्ष है. Now age is a feminine word in Hindi. Okay, so we will use meri to refer to age in Hindi. Then मेरे पिता का नाम वासुदेव है. Now here the boy is talking about his father. So we will use mera, but mera sounds disrespectful. Yes, we will use mere because it is a respectful way of referring to someone who's masculine and elder to us. मेरी माँ का नाम देवकी है. So Mary will be feminine here because it refers to his mother. मेरे पिता 40 वर्ष के हैं. Now here he is talking about his father's age. So he's talking about his father, right? And so he will use the word mere. When he talks about his mother, he will say मेरी माँ 35 साल की है. Why? Because now he's talking about his mother, who is a feminine person or a feminine gender. मेरा एक बड़ा भाई है. So मेरा will be masculine here because it refers to the elder brother. मेरी एक छोटी बहन है. This will be pink, that is feminine word because it refers to his younger sister. मेरे भाई का नाम राम है. So now he is referring to his brother. So the mere will be the masculine word. मेरी बहन का नाम सुभद्रा है. Now this is Mary, that is it refers to a possessive pronoun that is feminine. Excellent. मेरा भाई 15 साल का है. So here we will use मेरा possessive pronoun to refer to the brother. मेरी बहन 7 साल की है. So now he is talking about his sister again. So it will be मेरी. मेरा घर मथुरा में है. Now here we will use the word मेरा. Why? Because house or home is a masculine word. मेरा पसंदीदा वाद्य यंत्र बांसुरी है. Now he's talking about a musical instrument, and a flute is a masculine word, and so we will use the word मेरा. And मेरा पसंदीदा खाना मक्खन है. Now food, that is khana, is again a masculine word, and therefore we will use the word मेरा to refer to it. So friends, I hope this video gave you a complete overview about the usage of possessive personal pronouns, that is my and mine, in Hindi. That is mera for masculine words, mere for masculine and respectable relations or masculine and plural words, and meri to refer to feminine relations or feminine words, and also meri to refer to plural feminine words. So friends, I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.